Today, I'm going to show you the brand new Hallmark keepsake Harry Potter ornaments for 2018. Okay, so these are the July releases of the Hallmark keepsake ornaments, and there is going to be another Harry Potter ornament that gets released in October as well, and there is an online exclusive one, and I will insert photos of those at the end of the video for you. But I couldn't resist. Last year I missed out on getting one of the Harry Potter Hallmark ornaments that I wanted, so I was near my local Hallmark store and decided, you know what, I'm going to pop in and see if they have any of their ornaments out yet. And even though it's July, they had the ornaments out, even though it's the last day of July. So, yeah, I had to pop in and see what they had, and they had these three really amazing ornaments. So the first one that caught my eye was the Niffler ornament, and I knew if I didn't get this now, it was not going to be around later. This is definitely going to be one that sells out, I'm sure. So this is the Niffler and Newt Scamander's briefcase with his little coins, and I'll open him up here in just a second. And then the other ornament that they had that I saw initially was the Honeydukes Sweet Shop ornament, and this one you can insert lights in the back of it. And lastly, they had the Harry Potter and Severus Snape First Impressions ornament, and this one actually talks. So, yeah, I was super excited. So I'm going to go ahead and open these up, and we can go through them one by one. Okay, so the first ornament we're going to go over is the Niffler, and my husband actually spotted him, and I knew I had to have him as soon as he showed him to me. So I'm sure he's going to go really quickly, and especially after seeing him out of the box, it's even better. So the detail on him is just amazing. So we have the little Niffler himself, and then even the detail on the back of the case with the little design in Newt's case is just so perfect and so dead on. And then all the little details on the actual briefcase itself, all the little stitches and rivets, and even the ripples back here to show that it's been worn. It's just so cute. So he retails for $15.99 right now, and I'll put a link down below where you can purchase one yourself, hopefully. I'm hoping he won't run out too quickly. I know last year, like I said, I missed out on some of the ornaments I wanted. And he is 2.1 inches wide by 1.9 inches high by 1.7 inches deep, just in case you guys kind of wanted to get an idea of how big he is. So I can't wait to put him on my tree. So let's get on to the next one. Okay, so next we have Honeydukes Sweet Shop, and again, the detail on these is just amazing, and I don't know if you guys can really tell, but all of the snow on top of the building is all glittery. So let me just kind of rotate this so you guys can see. We've got the little Honeydukes sign that's sticking out, and the little bumped out windows, and the chimney stacks. It is just so cute. And then here is where the two tree lights insert, so it lights up the inside of the windows. And I'll do that for you in just a second. But it is just so pretty. So we have chocolate frogs in the window, and Bertie Bott's Every Flavor beans, and some lollipops. And I'm not entirely sure what this one is, but it is just so detailed and so cute. And let me show you what it looks like with the lights in. Okay, so I have attached this to the string of lights, so you can kind of see the lights coming through the window, but I'm actually going to dim my light here so you can see it a little bit better. There. It is so cute. I love how the light just comes in through the windows and just makes it seem even more magical. And just in case you were wondering, this one is 4.7 inches wide by 4.1 inches high and 3.2 inches deep. And this one is a little bit more expensive. It's $24.99, but I definitely think this is a piece that you could almost leave out all the time. I don't think it necessarily would have to be on a tree. I think you could almost make it like a little collectible model. So, yeah, so this is the Honeydukes Sweet Shop. Okay, and last but certainly not least is the Severus Snape and Harry Potter First Impressions ornament. And this one is just so iconic, I feel like. And I think they really, again, nailed all of the little details from, you know, the grain in the desk to his quill to their outfits. It's just really, really well done. And he talks. So I'm going to go ahead and push the button. And it does come with the 2-cell batteries. You just have to put them in yourself. So let's see what Snape has to say.
Mr. Potter, our new celebrity. Tell me, what would I get if I added powdered root of asphodel to an infusion of wormwood? You don't know? Well, let's try again. Where, Mr. Potter, would you look if I asked you to find me a bezoar?
I don't know, sir.
And what is the difference between monkshood and wolfbane?
I don't know, sir.
Pity. Clearly, fame isn't everything, is it, Mr. Potter?
So I love that it says the first words that Snape said to Harry. I love that. I love that it's the Sorcerer's Stone and that it's the 20th anniversary for the Sorcerer's Stone book here in the United States. Anyway, I know it's the 21st for the UK, but I just love this. And I loved Alan Rickman, so I think it's even better that it's got his voice. So the width on this one is 3.3 inches, and it's 4.73 inches high by 3.1 inches deep. And again, this one is a little bit more expensive than the Niffler, but it's the same price as Honeydukes, and it's $24.99. I just love it, and I love that it's got Harry's little writing down here as he's following along. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Let me see if I can get it to focus. Yeah, it's got Harry's writing that he's following along with Snape, so it's just so good. I love all the detail that they put into this. It's just so good. Okay, well, there you have it. The 2018 July releases of the Harry Potter and Fantastic Beasts Hallmark Keepsake Ornaments. This video was not sponsored in any way. I just wanted to make sure that you guys knew that these were an option and available out there because I didn't know that they were going to have all of these different ornaments this year. So, you know, go out there and pick one up for yourself if you want, or like I said, I'll try to put some links in the description down below as well. And yeah, I mean, I'm not ready for Christmas, but I'm always down for anything Harry Potter, and these are just really well done and super detailed. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.